Say hello to the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, your all-in-one countertop cooking solution that takes your culinary experience to the next level. With its sleek, brushed stainless steel design and compact size of 17.5 x 21.5 x to 12.7, this versatile appliance fits seamlessly into any modern kitchen. What sets the Breville Smart Ovener apart? The innovative Element IQR system uses 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to direct power precisely where it's needed, ensuring even and efficient cooking every time. Featuring 13 cooking functions, including toast, bagel, broil, bake, roast, warm, pizza, proof, air fry, reheat, cookies, slow cook, and dehydrate, this oven does it all. Enjoy the flexibility of creating anything from a crispy batch of French fries to a perfectly roasted chicken. With Super Convection Technology, choose between 2-speed fan settings for optimal air circulation. This maximized airflow not only speeds up cooking by up to 30%, but also delivers perfectly air-fried dishes that are golden and crispy on the outside. Enjoy the convenience of air frying and dehydrating up to 4 trays of food at once. Perfect for those who love to entertain or meal prep for the week. Thanks to the integrated oven light, you can easily check on your food without opening the door. The light automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle, or you can switch it on anytime to monitor your progress. Customers rave about the ease of use, size, and versatility of the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. It's perfect for everything from quick weeknight meals to slow-cooked weekend feasts. Discover the world of guided recipes and cooking tips with Breville Plus, offering access to 1,000 plus recipes and cooking classes designed specifically for Breville appliances. Upgrade your kitchen with the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, the ultimate appliance for those who value precision, speed, and culinary creativity. Thanks for watching this review. As you saw on the thumbnail, the product featured in this video was available at a great discount when I uploaded it. However, discounts can change quickly, so make sure to check the description below for the latest offers and deals. If you're looking for amazing kitchen gadgets at discounts ranging from 10% to 60% off, be sure to subscribe to Upgrade My Kitchen. I always review products after gathering a lot of knowledge and checking customer feedback. That's why I feature top-rated and best-selling products that are perfect for upgrading your kitchen.